During a titration experiment, 0.05 moles of carbon dioxide is liberated. What is the volume of the gas liberated? Molar volume of a gas at s.t.p equals 22.4 dm cube. Solution. Before we continue, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that and also click on notification bell so as to be alerted as soon as new videos are being released. So now let's continue. From the question above, we have been given the number of moles of carbon dioxide, the gas liberated, and we are given the molar volume of gas at s.t.p, but we do not know the volume of the gas itself. Now we can do this two ways. We can use stoichiometric relationship and as well we can use the formula. But here I'll be using formula to do this, since you are given the number of moles and we are given the molar volume of the gas, so to make it very easy and direct for us. So now the formula I'll be using here is moles equals to volume over amount at s.t.p. The amount at s.t.p here refers to the molar volume of the gas, and that's a constant which is always 22.4 dm cube. So since we are given the number of moles and the volume is what is unknown, so we'll just make volume the subject here. So we'll be having volume equals moles times amount at s.t.p. So then say volume of CO2 will then be equal to the number of moles, which is 0.05, multiplied by the amount at s.t.p, that's 22.4, which is also referred to as the molar volume of the gas. So multiplying this, we have 1.12, then the unit dm cube. This is the final answer. With what we just did now, we've gotten the volume of the gas liberated, that is volume of CO2 liberated, carbon dioxide liberated, which is 1.12 dm cube. Do not forget to subscribe and as well click on the notification bell so as to be notified as soon as new videos have been released. Thank you. You can also leave your comments in the comment section below.